Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. Today we'll be going through how to add bonus point days on the merchant website. First, log on to the Repeat Rewards merchant portal. Next, click the Loyalty tab and scroll down to Promotions. Click Add a new bonus point special to get started. Today we're going to be going through on how to set up a weekly special starting on next Sunday going through June 1st. So first, click Weekly, keep it on Sunday, and keep it on all-day event. So we're going to have it start on next Sunday going through to June 1st. After you choose the dates you want the offer valid for, you can choose either double, triple, or quadruple points. Today we're going to be doing double points. And then simply name the promotion special that you want. Next, if you're a multi-location merchant, you can decide if you want the special to be for all locations or just specific locations. If you want the bonus point special to be for VIP members only, you can choose so in the VIP member only field. Next, you can either choose to include or exclude certain line items to be part of this bonus point special. Then click Add. Next, it's going to prompt you to review the information you just entered to verify that everything looks good, and if all the information that you typed in looks good, hit Add. Now this bonus point special is valid starting on next Sunday going through June 1st. Next, we'll be going through how to add bonus point specials for certain times only on a specific day. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add a new bonus special. And in the bonus days type field, I'm going to click Weekly, having it start on Monday. In this scenario, say that you have a happy hour period between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. You can do so by clicking the begin hour and the end hour. So the way this is set up, it's only valid between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. on Mondays. Next, you're going to choose the date that you want this bonus point special to begin. We're going to choose next Monday in this scenario and have the end date be on June 1st. In the bonus adjustment field, you can choose to either double, triple, or quadruple points during that time frame. Next, you're going to want to name your special. Again, you can choose to, if you're a multi-location merchant, you can choose to have this special be valid for all locations or just specific locations. And again, if you want this bonus point special to be for VIPs only, you can choose the VIP field. And if you want certain line items excluded or included, you can do so by selecting the select bonus type. Then click Add. It's going to prompt you to verify the information that you just added, and if everything looks good that you typed in and you want the special to start, click Add. You will now see the special added, and you verify that you set it up correctly starting next Monday. Thank you for watching the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 866-268-4958 or email in to merchantservices@repeatrewards.com.